So we're now in the Grand Canal shops at the Venetian, or we're almost in the Grand Canal shops at the Venetian. As you can see, the main entrance is right here. One of the more attractive shopping areas on the Las Vegas Strip. So I wanted to show it to you. As usual, it's kind of got the normal, what you want to call it. I guess this is the food court. If you want to take a look. Chicken Now. It's terrible to have to wait for chicken. Cafe Pan. Another Panda Express. I don't know why so many people want to eat knockoff, cheap American version of Chinese food, but they do. There's Social Life Pizza. There's another Johnny Rockets. I thought it said gravy pot for a minute. Curry pot. This is the food court inside of the Grand Canal shops. Chipotle. Some of you may need some Chipotle while you're here in Las Vegas. Because, well, maybe you just need Chipotle. Subway. So I just want to walk down here and show you not so much the entire shopping area, but kind of a cool area where they have what look like little canals. Prime Burger, Heroes. It's all right here. So let's walk down this way. You can ride in a not so authentic gondola, even though it looks quite a bit like it probably looks in Venice, at least from the videos I've seen. So there's Lobster Me. I would guess they have lobster. I would guess that's a rather expensive place to eat, particularly for fast food. There we go, some of the shops here in the Grand Canal shops. Always restaurants, bars. There are just tons of places that will take your money if you want to consume pretty much anything. But this is kind of what I wanted to show you all. These are these sort of faux canals here in faux Venice. And if you want, I don't know, I think it costs you $7,500. You and your loved ones can take a pretend boat ride down the pretend canals here in pretend Venice. So it's pretty cool. It has another one of those sort of faux ceilings, which are not uncommon here in Las Vegas. I can think of at least two more. And in any case, it's kind of cool, particularly if you are never going to make it to real Venice, at least not before it sinks or stinks to death. So I'm not really sure what's down here, whether it's worth continuing our little tour. And a lot of little sort of faux Italian sort of things, but the usual shops. This is kind of pretty though. These little facades along here. And so I thought maybe you'd enjoy seeing it. This isn't really the sort of place you buy things, although I'm sure people buy things here. But anyway, so these, a little bit of a view of the Grand Canal shops here at the Venetian. Thanks for watching. As always, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.